You guys stuck? You want me to try to get you out? I'm a pretty good driver. If you can't get out, my friend can tow you. He's got a nice Jeep. Yo, come over here. You see me over here, Jose? To your left, come over. Be careful, these guys are stuck. I'm gonna try to get them out, but do you have like a winch? All right, I'm gonna do my best. Your best bet, honestly, if you can like stand on the bumper and just like if you can like stand on it and just like go like this.
Okay.
You just got to try to get the traction on the tires.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my best. If I can't get you, my friend will tow you out. What's that? Oh, anytime. I mean, I could try it without you doing this real quick, and then if I can't get it, then I'll ask you to do that. Yo, Jose, could you winch it in the front? It's super stuck. Hey, can you all winch this out in the front? Jose, you want to put your front end like up on the hill and just winch this thing out real quick, dude? It'll take like 2 minutes. Yeah, we'll try, but you're pretty bottomed out. He might be able to help you here. Yo, dude, real quick, you want to start loosening that thing? Honestly, if you just stay up top like that, like up top of that, and try to tow him, he'll probably come right out. If not, we'll just leave. I'm just like, they up like right off the bat. What is that? Oh, the controller. You want to just like pull up and want me to pull it in front? You want to pull in front?
No, it's fine.
You gotta drag it from in front though.
I hold this.
I got it. You can remove it. I know what to do. Just pull up so you're facing head on to them. Don't go down there. All right. Go ahead and back it up a little. Perfect. You gonna try to just winch it, or do you want to like actually back your truck up after you tighten it? Once you get it tight, I'll go jump in. Actually, I'll just go jump in now. That's good right there. Wait a second, let me get in. All right, just go real slow. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Give me that stuff.
Oh wait, stop. I think you're probably gonna want to hammer down and go backwards. Let me come over there. All right, come on. All right. So I have it in 4-wheel drive lock for you, so that's going to be what you want to run it in all day.
Okay.
And then just like if you're getting in a situation like that, you just got to hammer down to get out of it. Like you just got to floor it.
Okay.
Like pedal. Like if you're getting stuck, just.
Okay. Sorry, I don't have any costume to do the bro.
It's all right. I got you,
I feel bad.
dude. It took 5 minutes. See you later.
All right, thank you so much.